Welcome. Today we learn about speed, time, and distance problems. Goals for this lesson. Calculate average speed using the formula. Average speed equals total distance divided by total time. Understand how to find time taken for trips using the formula time equals distance divided by speed. Solve problems involving different speeds for outgoing and returning journeys using harmonic mean. Basic rule. Step 1. Identify the distances and speeds for both parts of the trip. Step 2. Calculate the total distance and total time taken for the trip. Step 3. Use the average speed formula to find the overall average speed. Repeat after me. A cyclist travels 30 kilometers at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour and returns at 10 kilometers per hour. Total distance equals 30 kilometers plus 30 kilometers equals 60 kilometers. Time going is 30 kilometers over 15 kilometers per hour equals 2 hours. Time returning equals 30 kilometers over 10 kilometers per hour equals 3 hours. Total time equals 2 plus 3 equals 5 hours. Average speed equals 60 kilometers over 5 hours equals 12 kilometers per hour. A car goes to a city 100 kilometers away at 80 kilometers per hour and returns at 60 kilometers per hour. Total distance equals 100 kilometers plus 100 kilometers equals 200 kilometers. Time going equals 100 kilometers divided by 80 kilometers per hour equals 1.25 hours. Time returning equals 100 kilometers divided by 60 kilometers per hour equals 1.67 hours. Total time equals 1.25 hours plus 1.67 hours equals 2.92 hours. Average speed equals 200 kilometers divided by 2.92 hours approximately equals 68.5 kilometers per hour. A bus travels 120 kilometers to a town at 60 kilometers per hour and returns at 90 kilometers per hour. Total distance equals 120 kilometers plus 120 kilometers equals 240 kilometers. Time going equals 120 kilometers per 60 kilometers per hour equals 2 hours. Time returning equals 120 kilometers per 90 kilometers per hour equals 1.33 hours. Total time equals 2 plus 1.33 equals 3.33 hours. Average speed equals 240 kilometers over 3.33 hours is approximately 72 kilometers per hour. Common mistakes include calculating average speed as 60 plus 40 or 2 equals 50 kilometers per hour, forgetting to add both distances before dividing by total time, using the wrong speeds for the return journey. Correct versions are: average speed is based on total distance and total time, not just a simple average. Always check if both speeds are correct before calculating total time. Use the harmonic mean formula for average speed when speeds differ. Average speed equals 2ab divided by a plus b. A plus b ... Mini practice. Choose the correct form. 1. A car travels 100 kilometers at 50 kilometers per hour and returns at 100 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed? Option A, 66.67 kilometers or hour, or option B, 75 kilometers per hour. Answer: option A. 2. A runner goes 4 kilometers at 8 kilometers per hour and returns at 12 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed for the round trip? Option A, 9.6 kilometers or h, or option B, 10 kilometers per hour. Answer: option A. 3. A boat sails 30 miles at 15 miles per hour and returns at 10 miles per hour. What is the average speed? Option A, 12 miles per hour, or option B, 12.5 miles per hour. Answer: option B. Pro tip: remember to always use total distance and total time to find average speed. Summary. Average speed is calculated by dividing total distance by total time. Time taken for each leg of the trip must be calculated separately and then summed.